on the beach with Wilf and Wilma. It was sunny, but the sea was chilly. It's too chilly to swim. There were lots of people on the beach. Wilf had a frisbee. Catch, he called. Anina ran to catch the frisbee. She nearly ran into some children. The children looked upset. Mind the people! The children were lost. We can't see Mommy and Daddy, said the girl. The children were called Lily and Charlie, and Nina and Wilma took them to the lost children's hut. We will wait until your mommy comes, said Anina. Let me tell you a story, said Anina. In a far-off land, there was a princess, but she had a problem. The princess was called Sophie. The problem was her sneeze. She had a loud sneeze. Achoo! When she sneezed, it sounded if she was saying funny things like cheesy feet or stinky socks. Achoo! People said Sophie was shouting at them. They did not like it. She called me cheesy feet. The queen was cross with Sophie. You need better manners, she said. What a cheek! Mossy cheek, Sophie sneezed into her handkerchief. Achoo! Even the king was cross with Sophie. Tut tut, she said. You bad girl, Sophie sneezed harder and harder. Achoo! I do not mean to be bad, said Sophie, but when I sneeze, people think I'm shouting at them. Sophie was so unhappy. She ran off. She ran deep into the forest. Soon she was lost. She sat down on a bed of leaves. I will rest my head on these leaves, she said. She soon fell fast asleep. She was asleep all night to her relief. She did not sneeze at all. Sophie sat up with a start. A female, an owl, and a donkey were looking at her. You must be sneezing, princess, said the little mouse. Yes, I am, said Sophie. But out here in the forest, I did not sneeze at all. People sneeze a lot, said the donkey. There was too much dust in their house. Too much dust. The king and queen ran up. Sophie, said the king, we haven't found you. What a relief. We must get rid of the dust. Just then Charlie saw his mommy. Charlie, Lily, she said, I have found you. What a relief. Please do not sneeze. Anina tells a story about a princess with a loud, funny sneeze. Achoo! Bye-bye.